I'm going for git ingest. ingest ingest. Okay, now what happened? The complete code will be readable format. You can say mark
Okay.
MD format. Okay, ma? Yes.
Mm.
Understood. You see the directory, everything we have it here. Directory structure we have it. Correct? Yes. So now what I'm going to do, download. Okay. If I download, I'll be getting one of the file. Save. Okay. So next thing is I need to go to, okay. So in this, I'm going to use this model Llama Maverick. Okay. So now I'm going to the file, downloads. mm,
Videos. Mm.
mm,
Mm.
mm, I need to, why it is coming video? Should not come video. It's going for download. Mm, okay. Okay. Instead of that, I can use another model like when model. Can use that if in this case I upload and I'm going for downloads, and why it is all the time it's images. Okay, fine. So I'm going for, instead of using for this, I'm going for Google AI Studio. Okay, in the Google AI Studio, oh my god, battery. Mm, Google AI Studio. Okay. Okay, I logged in. So now what happened? Actually, I'm going here. I'm going to upload the file. Okay, I'm upload the file. Come on, come on, come on. Upload the file. Okay, downloads. Open that. Yes. Acknowledge. Okay. I don't know what is that. Just I'm asking it. But okay, I'm going to ask what is the everything. It is going to explain.
Mhm.
You see the complete code I have given actually as a file. Understood? Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you.
Because if you look at the you look at this camel and okay, look at it. Where is the if you open that go back, you see it's a complicated project because they are doing for last it started for almost 1+ year they are working for these people are working for okay later started with last year. Okay, ma, this is the last year only started. So this project is more than 1 year. Okay, this is RAN AI and it's supporting these are the LLMs and these are the data sources. Snowflake also that it does the data visualization, data analytics. It does that. And these many people are contributed. 31 people are working for this projects. and it says that
Okay.
talk to your data. So you don't need to write any SQL query. Directly you can use for your natural languages. Then you have a business intelligence, BI, semantic layer. Okay, let me see what it is giving. You see this? Understood, huh? Hmm?
Yeah.
It says
Mm.
that yes. Based on the provided repository structure, here is the detailed breakdown for semantic layer. Semantic layer in Rene is the crucial abstractions that
Okay.
translates raw data in your database into meaningful business concepts. This
Mhm.
layer is what allows generative BI agents. So they're having one agent called Gen BI agent to understand the context of your data, interpret natural language questions correctly, and generate the accurate SQL queries. The entire semantic layer is domain using for the REN modeling language model. The REN modeling language model is it's a JSON manifest. The model. These are the general object in semantic layer, columns, relationship metrics. Okay. How the semantic layer work across the REN AA platform. Okay. Indexing like this. In summary, semantic layer is right.
Mhm.
Can you
Can you,
can you explain the architecture of this project? Okay, so you can study everything. You can ask how many files also it tells. It's written in which language, what is the technical stack,
Mhm.
everything it will explain. Understood, huh?
Okay.
Yes. So
Yeah.
otherwise it is a complicated, we can't understand, right? So this is the thing.
Yeah.
You see this? This REN-A project is designed with modern multi-component architecture that separates consents into distinct services. The modular designs allow for the scalability, flexibility, and easier maintenance, the core of the architecture. Rene high-level architecture, you see this? They're given the high-level architectures, responsibilities, Rene services, Rene in supporting. Okay, and what is okay? Oh, can you explain the technicals? Can you explain technical stack? They're using for the vector database. They're having a two database. They're using it. Key technology they are using for the Python. Now we'll see what it says that. And MDL, SQL, dialect, translate, query extractions, semantic. Okay. Okay. Then there is a called one more thing called. Okay, ma. So they are saying that they are using for the TypeScript for the language and framework. Front end they are using for the TypeScripts, and next I mean the React JS they're using. Then they're using use this backend they're using for the fast API Python. Then they're using for the hash take for AML orchestration to build manage retrieval. Okay, they're having a rack pipeline they are using it, and they are using for this LLM integration they are using for the light LLM pack model. They are using for quadrant. They're using okay poetry and okay, semantic engine, CLA tools. They are also using Go language, infrastructure, containerization, Kubernetes summary. Okay, it's like this. Understood now? So now, if I'm going for other project, the other project called Camel, right? For Camel projects also, you can do that.